चलिए आज हम लोग जान लेते हैं एसएससी सीएचएसएल में 2024 में जो ऑल जितने भी सारा जीके का क्वेश्चन आया था डांस एंड डांसर से। तो सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन है, पंडित बिरजू महाराज वाज रिलेटेड टू कथक। लंगवीर नृत्य क्या इज फोक डांस फ्रॉम द स्टेट ऑफ उत्तराखंड। व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग डांस developed in the monasteries of Assam. Sattariya. Mahadhar Rawat is an exponent of the Indian classical dance from Odisha. Who among following is famous classical dancer? Sonali Mansingh. Gugga is famous ritualistic dance of days, which is performed in the procession taken out in memory of Gagga Peer, Haryana. Days was an Indian dancer and choreographer best known for creating a fusion style of dance adapting European theatrical techniques to Indian classical and folk dance from Uday Shankar. Which of the following Indian classical dance has originated from Andhra Pradesh? Kuchipudi. The Yakshagana is the dance drama primarily associated with which of the following state? Karnataka. Guru Bampati Chinna. Satyam is a famous dancer of Kuchipudi dance from the India. Kuchipudi. Chang dance is popular in the state of Rajasthan. Gidda dance is a folk dance of which of the following state? Punjab. Which classical dance was introduced by the great Vaishnava saint and reformed Assam? Sattariya. Jogai and Cholam are two divisions in the Indian classic dance form of Manipuri. 15 number question. The Chow dancer of Dash organize a festival named Chow Jamur Utsav, where an open stage is designed for the performance by Chu group, West Bengal. Chu मतलब कि छाऊ. Which of the following pair of state of folk dance is correctly paired? Punjab Bhangra dance. Chhau is a popular dance of which of the following state? झारखंड. छाऊ डांस वेस्ट बंगाल, झारखंड और बिहार के कुछ हिस्सों में भी गाया जाता है, मतलब डांस किया जाता है. संयुक्ता पनिग्राही. संयुक्ता पनिग्राही a legendary dance is associated with which of the following dance perform? Odissi. Which of the following state are the Pai song accompanied by Saria dance sung during the rain festival? Madhya Pradesh. Which of the following states uses is rife a folk dance? Jammu and Kashmir. Tehri Tali dance belong to which of the following states? Rajasthan. Bhavai is a dance form that belongs to which of the following state? Rajasthan. What is known to be Ekhaharia, where one dancer takes on many roles in single performance? Bharatanatyam. Which of the following dances is listed to the UNESCO list of intangible cultural heritage of India since 2010? Kalbelia. Who is known as the father of modern dance in India? Uday Shankar. The Bhutia dance form is folk dance from the which of the following Indian state? Uttarakhand. Mohiniyattam is a classical dance form of Kerala. Rauf is a traditional dance of days which is practiced on the festival occasion of Eid and during Ramzan days. Jammu and Kashmir. Rauf, Jammu and Kashmir. Rukmini Devi Arundhale is associated with which of the following are from? Dance. Bharatanatyam dance from associated with Tamil Nadu. Kalbelia dance, also known as Separa dance, is folk dance of Rajasthan. Bala Saraswati, who was regarded as child prodigy by Vidwan and Pandits played an important role in reviving the dance from Bharatnatyam. Match the column. Bharatnatyam, Tamil Nadu. Mohiniyattam, Kerala. Garba, Gujarat. Sattariya, Assam. With reference to Saila dance, consider the following statement and select the correct option. कौन सा ऑप्शन सही है इसमें से? A group comprising of male performers. The dance is performed with bamboo stick. It is performed after the during of crops. यहाँ का सही सारा का सारा सही है. Which of the following, which is the only surviving specimen of the ancient Sanskrit theatre recognized by UNESCO as a masterpiece of the oral intangible heritage of humanity? Kutiyattam. Who is the author of Natya Shastra? Bharat Muni.